Okay, the purpose behind the next few videos here is to show you how you can actually take your YouTube videos that you're creating and then repurpose them by posting them to your own personal blog and then doing a few other little tricks that will drive additional traffic to your videos and to your website, and also the links from your website to the blog will help increase the overall SEO, the SEO value of your YouTube channel. Now this is great. I mean, you upload a video, then you copy and paste the link and put it in your blog. But we've actually made it a lot easier than that. I've created some automated software I'm going to make available here in a little while. But today what I want to do is I'm going to switch over to my computer and I'm going to show you how this works. First of all, I want to just get some of this silly little nomenclature stuff out of the way. When you take a video and you post it in a blog, it's called a Vlog. It's a video blog or a video log or whatever you want to call it. I just went and got this from Wikipedia to show it to you. So let me show you how you do it. First of all, this is my website. It is all blog based, williamjmccrae.com, which is my personal name. And if you go there, it is my overly impressive resume. But you'll also notice, up in the, let me adjust the screen a little bit here, there is a blog too. You can just go to the blog itself. And when you go to the blog, you're going to see that there's a list of posts, video posts that I've done in YouTube. Now I automatically syndicate this stuff from my YouTube channel based on each one of these title tags here. These are category tags, is a playlist on my YouTube channel, so they post from there. So when I upload, it automatically pulls everything over. I don't have to worry about ever doing anything other than setting the software up and running it. Then I get all the benefits of blogs and YouTube without having to do double the work. But there's some other cool things you can do, which we'll talk about in a little bit. So here's my blog. If you look at any one of these videos, you click on it, it will take you to its own page, obviously. And my theme automatically kind of puts a shadowed down version of the actual thumbnail that we use. And everything that we wrote in the comments and questions gets put here. So all this content comes from the blog itself. Now what this is doing, the software is actually grabbing the video post from my YouTube channel, and you can see within my YouTube channel I have all these different playlists. So I have one for ClickBank training videos. I just put that into over here. If you come down, you see this one's solo ads, right? The next one, so if you go over here, you can see all these posts are about solo ads. And if you go back to my YouTube channel, you'll see that there's all right here, the solo ad business that I got. I actually got a couple different playlists in there. So these videos will, every time I do something on, let's say, ClickBank training, it's going to post to YouTube, and then it's automatically going to post to my website too. Sorry about that. And that takes care of that. So what happens when you do a blog post, and that's why I keep showing you, it creates what's called a RSS feed, which is it's a system it's a standard, it's a really simple script language is what it stands for, and it's a system for notifying the search engine that there's new content at this website. And every time you post a video, it's going to tag it and ping it. Now, you want to post your videos before the other guy. People are going to find your site if they're searching for those keywords. Now remember, again, the title of your post, your video post, let's say if we go in here and we look up this one right here, this is going to be the title of the actual post when it hits your website. So somebody searching for ClickBank 100,000 grand or 100 grand will probably find my content. Now it's going to take some time, but what happens is every time this post, what this is called a RSS feed, gets updated with that new post information, and the search engines see that. But you can also go to a tag and ping site like Ping-O-Matic and post as well. Ping-O-Matic used to be the primary source where everyone would do their tags and pings. Now it's kind of like it feeds into these other sites. So it goes to Blogger, it goes to basically to all of them. So let's just go ahead and do this. I don't necessarily want the traffic to go to my feed site, and I'll just say my name. So now it's going to ping all these different what we call ping servers which are going to, it's everyone that gets pinged that lets all the search engines in the world know that there's new content here, and plus it activates the syndication service, so your videos get picked up and syndicated elsewhere. So I'm going to just send that ping. All those pings are sent. So basically, when you do a post to the blog, it automatically does this. I ping my content once, twice a week just to make sure it all gets indexed. So when you create your blog post, your video, you upload it, you can just take this share link right here and literally post it. Whoops, sorry. Post it right into your blog, and you'll end up getting this sort of thing right here. It will show up just like this, but you won't have the content in here, and you won't have some of these other, some of these other features are related to the theme, but you won't get this content in there. But the video will show up. Now, I have all my share links over here too, just to get extra content. The share links work. I mean, you get clicks here and there and stuff like that. It really makes a difference over time. So I just want you to know that there's more than one purpose for each one of these posts. When you go here to share, you can also create a blogger and post it to Blogger. If you got a Blogger blog, that's basically how hard it was to do that. If you have a Tumblr, you can do the same thing. I can't remember the last time I used any of this stuff. I don't necessarily do it. I guess I have. Just additional ways to get traffic to your videos. And so you got all these different, you can do Reddit if you want. There's all these different things you can do, LinkedIn if you got a following there. But I basically just upload my videos because YouTube's the best search engine other than Google anyway. And then I use my, my software to automatically update my post on my website. And I'm getting traffic from 2 sources that way, and I'm not having to do any additional work. So one other trick I'm going to show you in another video later today.